In Business Central, it is possible to create reminders manually for a said customer. Let's take a look. In Tell Me, let's type reminders. From here, create a new transaction. Select your customer. And straight away, you have yourself a reminder header that has loaded a reminder terms code. This is set on the customer's card. Down underneath payments, reminder terms code. If you have a blank reminder code, the page will error because it is a required field. From here, let's go Process, Suggest Reminder Lines. We have the ability to only show overdue entries with overdue amounts, or to include entries that are on hold right now. I'm going to press OK. Here now we can see the customer's account, currently what is overdue, and it is now applied the additional fee that's set within the reminder template. This actions, issuing, and you can issue. This will now print or email the reminder, and you can then action that and send that on to the customer. Just now, we can see the reminder email. We can see that the reminder lines in the email and the attachment that would be provided. And there you have it.